I just gave you a quick instruction about how to use this camera. This is lens cover. The lens is nice and clean. So to make it fully function to work, move this one over here first, and then you can just change the focus of this camera, and this lens can be zoomed back, like pull these little tiny things up and it can go in back like that. When you begin to use it, put it down still, and then you can focus on that. So the second thing for the camera is the shutter speed. This is like 1/5 seconds, 2 seconds. Oh, not 2 seconds, half second, 1 second, something like that. So for example, if you trying to use that to 1/50 seconds, go over there, rolling your film, and move this button over here and press this button 1/50. And if you want kind of lower shutter speed, move it to around 1 second, roll over here, and 1 second. And also if you want to go to the highest speed, which is 1/500, which is here, the same you can do like that, very quick. And the other button over here is for your aperture size. Over here you can actually see your aperture size over here. So once you're changing this button, the aperture will showing up, changing from f/22 to f/3.5, and you can actually see that changing. So this is the biggest shutter speed. Sorry, the biggest aperture is opened. And let me change that to the f/22 and do that again. Now it is very tiny. Yep, which is okay. And also the other things for that one is this one you can just hold it until you want to release the shutters. Yep, like that. This one is the one over here. Yeah. Yeah, and I just show you how to load the film. So there's a button over here at the bottom. So this is closed position. When this arrow showing your aim on there, it's a closed, and then you need to move this one, put it to the open position, and give it a little bit pressure, and it is open. Pull this one up, put new film. This one is the old one. It's useless one. I use for demonstration. So pull this one, turn it down, pull this film to the position over here, somewhere like that. Make sure it is over there, and then give this one a little bit rolling, and make sure these two things are in the position. Okay, once you feel it is okay, you can close that and keep doing that. The first few of the shadow, it doesn't really matter. Let's move to 50 over here. Rolling it. When you see you rolling this one, that one also moving, which means you load the film successfully. If you rolling this one doesn't move, it means you didn't roll the film correct. And like that. Okay, all good. And for example, if it's a new film, you need to reset this counter. You can just reset that to 0. This arrow to the 0. And once you move to the next one, it will showing up to the number 1, not the 0 anymore. I think that's pretty much about how to use this camera. Kind of easygoing. And focus just using this one to focus. And in the viewfinder, you will see this kind of yellow window. It will separate the image to 2. Once it's become to 1, from 2 to 1, you are able to have a good focus on that. I couldn't really show you that clearly, but you can see this small tiny yellow window over here. Yep. And also how to get your film out. Oh, one more important thing. Make sure once you finish loading your film, you put this position back to the close. Otherwise, if you leave it to the open and you put it on your desk, you will see it is open, which is not good. So make sure you have put it back to the close, and that is okay. And how to just remove your film. There is a release button over here. Hold this one and use this arrow direction to rolling back your film back to the position, and keep going until you feel a little bit resistant, and keep going, and eventually kind of release and give it a little bit half, and that is kind of your film is going back already. Now you can open it, take your film out. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for this camera. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, once again, put it back to the close.